Just bugging.
Hey man, where are we at?
We're over at Gary's house. This is my buddy where I come to get VW parts when I need them. Oh, and by the way, I'm still sticking to the not smoking. Got my puff bar here. If you want to sponsor me, Puff Bar, hook me up, man. Give me some of these for free and I'll talk about them all the time.
All right, let's go look at the part.
All right, let's do it. Yeah, I'll say one thing, he's got it organized here. If you ever need anything, it's here. Check it out. And they're all in their specific bins. You know, if you're looking for a rare part or a hard to find part, this is your go-to man here for Volkswagen parts. And there is some areas you're gonna have to dig for yourself, but they haven't got into the organized area because he's always picking up parts. So, you know, it usually has 80% of what I'm looking for, but you know how it goes. We got all the cases in here. Yeah, connecting rods, tins, valve covers, yeah. It's all here. You might have to go back the way you came.
I'll make it through it.
Yeah, he's got all the toys out here. Oh wait, here's Gary right here. Hey Gary,
Really?
How you doing? We see that you're all so organized and you got your stockpiling, hoarding for Bug Jam 2021. You're getting prepared, huh?
Yeah, we'll go back again after 25 years. We'll go back next year.
Oh yeah, he wasn't able to make it this year, so get ready. He's gonna have some parts next year.
Yeah, he'll have everything you need.
Yeah.
Got 3 buildings full.
Yeah, he's full everywhere. Let's go look out some more parts. Yeah, he's got some in there too. Yeah. Anything you want to find, Gary usually has it. If not, he's gonna find it sooner or later.
I don't think I've ever seen this many parts for VW in one area other than Bug Jam.
Yeah, I mean, other than a swap meet, I mean, look in there. It's got everything. Yeah, I just had to come out here and get some tins and an adapter for the dual port cooler, and I'm still looking for some intakes for dual 34 pig carbs, single barrels. So he only had one of each, and I need 2. So usually, like I say, he's got pretty much 75–80% of what I'm looking for each time. So that's pretty good.
See what else he's got over here?
Oh yeah.
Look at all that.
Oh my God. Yeah, if you ever want to make an adjustable beam or shortened beam, I think he's your man. Holy cow.
Same with all these too.
Oh, you know what? I bet this would work great on that rotisserie we got to hook up. Boy, that'd be nice to turn the body with that. Huh. I'll take a picture of that before we leave so I can show Rick that.
And look, got a pretty horse out here too.
Oh yeah, he's got it going on.
Hi, pretty baby. You're so pretty.
Such a pretty horse.
Hi, sweetie.
Oh, what's up?
Hi, sweetie. I don't have no carrots for you. I'm pretty. He said I thought you brought me a carrot.
I wish we had some food, bro.
Pretty baby. Look, he's gonna get jealous.
She's out there beating on the fence. She wants out.
Look at that.
That is a
Everybody
super
got
cool
OSHA
robot.
bars you grab a hold of.
Yeah.
What size is in that?
2275.
Oh hell, I bet that thing's fun.
Yeah.
The ones are out there in the big garage. You ain't been to the big garage.
Yeah, go look at the big garage.
Let's go look at the big girl.
This is where his toys are. Oh yeah,
Oh,
that's a sweet
shit.
Waha right there.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this.
Check out that little freaking thing. Look at that little Jeep. That's pretty cool. Hey, he's got all kinds of toys. Look at the little pickup.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, it's got stacks on it. Or is that for, that's just for looks. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool. And then look, they left the fenders on it and the lower quarters. I like that. That is neat.
How does
So
it
you just chop the back of the roof off, close it up. Yeah. Somebody put a piece of wood there and some fiberglass over it.
That's cool.
Yeah, well, if you ever need any VW related parts, mainly engine parts, tins, you know, intakes, carburetors, or some good advice, Gary's your man.
Hell yeah.
We have been told that there was a bug in the Sam's parking lot, so we're gonna get out and check it out and leave this guy apart. Check that out. That means he's overheating. Why else would you do that? That's not going to solve your problem, that's for sure. Oh wait, check that out. What do they got there? Fuel gauge doesn't work. That's attractive for good mileage. Hey there, Gator fan. We're just out checking out bugs, and we're heading to the car show here in the Villages of Florida. And we're just going to scope out some bugs and leave a card and see if we could do anything for them one day. And maybe we'll get a subscriber out of it. Who knows? Got to promote Just Buggin.
Hey man, where we at?
Hey, we're at the Villages of Florida, and we are at a car show, and we're gonna search for a VW Beetle. You know, we were just at Gary's, and this is what we do, you know, it's all about bugs. So we're gonna go out here and try to find a bug story. Yeah, what a beautiful car to be behind us. A nice Corvette, yeah. So let's go in search of a Beetle. Hey Sam, what'd you think we should check out?
Yeah, it's a 356 replica, but a VW engine.
Yeah.
Gorgeously detailed. It's a 1600 dual carbs.
Wow.
All chrome.
Yeah, that's VW related.
Yes.
Hey guys, and if you don't know, this is Sam that owned the 1970 convertible Beetle, the yellow one.
Yeah.
We did the road trip on. Yeah. Where he's got the two Ghias in the backyard that we flip-flop the bodies. So let's go check out this Porsche. Yeah.
It's a replica, but it's gorgeous.
Oh, it's a fiberglass?
Yeah, beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah. Look at this.
Yes. Boy, that's a hypo. Those are 40s or 44s.
Carbs, I think.
Yeah. Is this yours? What size motor you got in there?
1641 cc.
1641. So anything VW related or Porsche, we like to get in touch with. So this is a VW motor. So, and what size carbs you got in there?
Normal, regular carbs.
There's a 34s on each side.
Yeah, they're.
They looked a little bigger. Oh yeah.
I had to
Okay.
cut them down so they would fit under the lid.
Right. Okay.
And there's an extra oil cooler underneath here because of the Florida heat.
Right. And you got an electric fuel pump on it.
Is that what bug pack is? Is that
Yeah.
electric fuel?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the breather, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you got a cooler. Where's your cooler? Laying on the top of the tranny or something?
You see these?
Yes.
They hide. This is the fan shroud.
Right.
The
Right.
fan is back there.
Oh, okay.
You can feel it. It's hot still from coming down here.
Yeah, but I mean, you have just this single cooler and then it goes in the breather. You don't have an external cooler. Okay. Well, it's sweet. It's really nice. And I guarantee you, you have to polish this all the time to keep the rust from coming on it, don't the chrome?
Not really.
Did you didn't
use
buy the
that.
Chinese tins? You bought really quality tins?
stuff, yeah.
That's good because I don't see anything on
I'm a
them.
Volkswagen dealer up in Connecticut.
So what's the story on this? Is this a kit? It's all fiberglass?
You cannot get this anymore.
No, it's
They're out of
beautiful.
business. They're a company called FiberFab out of Minnesota.
Uh-huh.
They're out of business. The only way you can get these now is fully built.
Wow.
You can't get the kits from anybody.
Wow. It's sweet. Wow. I love it. I love the baby blue. So this is where it looks really sweet with the painted bumpers, and look how I don't know if this is stock or not. I mean, it's a kit car, but I like how it's hugging the body.
This is how I have to go to the gas station to fill it.
Oh yeah.
And the cap is there.
Yeah. Sweet.
Here's the battery.
Is it only Porsche, or do you like VW related cars?
Oh, this is a VW that I had underneath.
Well,
Donor.
scan that QR code and it'll take you to our YouTube channel. But
I bought this kit in 1986.
wow,
I finished it 2012. 25
you did a
years.
great job. I love the baby blue.
That's not the original color, it was black.
No, yeah.
Because by the time I got to finish it, the gel coat, black,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
get a light color. So this is 85
It's
gin
really hard to work on fiberglass. Yeah, it's a whole different. I paint and body. I do entire quarter panels, and I put a car on a rotisserie. Check out what we're doing. It's not just DIYs. I left a $70,000 a year job. I'm a Desert Storm War veteran. It's where I learned to be a diesel mechanic, and he taught me into leaving last year when I got injured, and I'm blessed with it to be recognized so much in such a short amount of time. We've been doing this for about 15 months, and it's awesome. And to film all the bug stories and Porsches, of course, VW related. I mean, you can't get any better.
I'm a Vietnam veteran. I was a tank commander.
Yes. Well, you know what? This is when I say thank you for your service.
Hey,
You
thank
guys,
you
you
for
know
yours.
how many people say something to me about thank you for my service? I cry for you all.
Yeah,
because you
guys-
should have been recognized
We got
more
the
than
crap,
us.
And you guys did.
Thank you.
Okay.
I agree.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You have a good day, man.
You too.
Hey guys, it's Dalton. After that clip, we kind of just stopped filming and just enjoyed the car show and the music. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have a just buggin' of a day. And remember to check out the new merch. Link in the description.